the OST of Seducing Drake Bama.
But before we proceed to our next song, let us introduce ourselves first.
Hi, I'm SNS Elena.
Hi, I'm SNS Donna.
Hi, I'm SNS Angel. Hi, I'm SNS Via. Hi, I'm SNS Zane.
Hi, I'm SNSD.
Hi, I'm SNS Iya.
Kami ang
Sugar and Spice! And for our next song, it is our pre-debut single, Sa Iyo.
Our last song. We just want to say thank you so much to Philstar Media Group, Festival Mall, and Philinvest Mall for inviting us here. And we hope you guys are enjoying our performance. And with that, for our last song, our latest single, Cute.
Thank you so much, girls. Let's give them a big round of applause, everyone. Again, Sugar and Spice, anything you'd like to say to your fans and to our Saudis?
Hi guys, we are Sugar and Spice. Thank you so much for coming and watching us. And please follow us on our social media at page.Sugar and Spice on Instagram. And please stream our latest single, Cute. It is now available to stream on all streaming platforms. And abangan niyo po yung Cute Visualizer. Malapit na po yan. And lastly, please vote us on Vibe PH TV. And that's all. Thank you so much po!
Thank you so much. Thank you, Sugar and Spice. And I think this is the perfect time that you guys maybe would do a little food crawl. And baka you can post on your socials which is the best pick here at the Nakakalocal Year 4 Grand Food Bazaar. Thank you so much, girls. Thank you. Say hi to the camera and bye. Alrighty. Thank you. Now, at this moment, as we said, there's over 40 featured local food bazaars here at Nakakalocal. And that is why lahat yan may story, lahat yan may pinanggalingan. And that is why at this moment, we'd really like to dive deep into their stories,